Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this extraordinary saltwater farm nestled in the heart of down East Maine's bold coast. Prepare to be enchanted by the charm and tranquility that this property has to offer. Let's embark on a virtual tour of your potential dream home. As we approach the property, take a moment to appreciate the mature landscaping that surrounds this classic farmhouse. The well-maintained exterior hints at the warmth and character you'll find within. Step through the front door into the inviting family room, where large windows frame pastoral water views, allowing natural light to fill the space. Venture further into the dining room, and imagine sharing meals with loved ones while enjoying the scenic beauty that stretches beyond. The master bedroom, with its own stunning water views, provides a serene retreat. Picture waking up to the gentle sounds of the ocean every morning. Explore the heart of the home, the updated kitchen, complete with modern appliances including a gas range, refrigerator, and more. The pantry offers ample storage space for your culinary adventures. As we head to the walkout basement, notice the workshop area, a perfect space for your hobbies or DIY projects. Now, let's turn our attention to the outdoors. Step onto the deck and glassed-in porch, where you can savor the fresh air and take in the panoramic views of Little Machias Bay. The deck is an ideal spot for dinners featuring clams you've gathered from the beach, paired with vegetables from your own garden and pies made with fruits from your orchard. The property is not just a home, it's a self-sufficient haven. The barn, with its new roof, houses a beautifully finished owner's retreat upstairs. The fenced-in pasture is ready for horses, goats, or any other four-legged friends you may have in mind. The outbuildings, including a shed and chicken coop, add to the charm and functionality of this remarkable homestead. As we stroll through the meticulously landscaped grounds, take note of the pond with its tranquil waterfall feature, a perfect place for quiet reflection. The assortment of flowers, shrubs, and fruit trees, including apples, cherries, peaches, pears, and hazelnuts, add to the allure of this picturesque property. For your convenience, a one-car detached garage and ample parking spaces are available. The standby generator ensures peace of mind, and the property's accessibility features, including a ramp, make it welcoming to all. In summary, this farmhouse offers not just a home, but a lifestyle, a quiet, self-sufficient retreat surrounded by nature's beauty. Don't miss the chance to make this gem on the bold coast your own. Your dream home awaits.